Going out to the country.
It's Lily at Reed Ranch. I planted some poppy seeds. They are barely starting to come up. Green sprout. There were some more that I think I somehow managed to kill. This one has a few, but it's really hard to see. Promise. There's some back there. Some outside, although I knew that was a long shot. And it was in a pot though. And I planted some in this little weird grow container. And then over here as well. I think I did that about 2 weeks ago. So they have germinated and they're just barely starting to sprout up.
I need to ask you a favor. Social media allows you and others to see our content if you like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Otherwise, it just gets ignored. So I heartfeltly thank you.